Okay, this one's called the Broadway Theater, and outside this is kind of a big main street, and I have a video where I just filmed all of that street and how cool it is, but this particular video is going to be focused on the inside, so we're going to walk inside. It's part of the Galaxy, and usually as an expat that's lived here for a while and I saw this open up, I think it opened maybe 2 years ago, like that street is pretty busy. And then when it connects to the Galaxy, it's pretty busy over there. But generally in here, it feels a little bit underutilized. Like I'm not entirely sure. There's people right here though. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. It doesn't feel like it's as used as much as it might be in the future. But yeah, actually they have a table here. Okay, so let's just go check it out and we'll see what we can see. This one says local Portuguese cuisine. Dragon. So let's go check it out and see what we can find. Artwork. Oh, okay, it looks like they're setting up for a convention. So, yeah, I think they do use this space for conventions sometimes, actually, now that I think about it. Here's all the restaurants. Pepper Lunch is a famous Japanese one. Katong, I think, is Malaysian. Mostly Chinese. Macau. Coffee shop. Japanese. Portuguese. Irish pub. Those are the two that we went to. Thai. So, okay, there you go. So it looks like they're setting up for this. And Broadway Casino, of course. So yeah, actually the casino part was down there. Actually, this is kind of interesting. Seeing what they're gonna set up here. Jewelry, lens, unveiling a new experience soon. So this looks like it's all set up. There's actually even like little COVID things. COVID meaning like little sprays. See what's in a vending machine. I'm sure people are curious. Souvenir vending machine, so you can buy souvenirs in this particular one. Huh. I haven't seen a souvenir vending machine before. Okay, so I guess this is Mac Expo. Some of the sponsors, okay, Broadway. Macau Pass, that's what I have in my thing. If you come to Macau, you get a Macau Pass. Usually it's a card, but I also have this. And that brings you in different places. So, okay, straight ahead is the Broadway Hotel and the casino. And I can't go into the casino, of course. Let's just see. Okay. So if I go down that way, that goes into all the restaurants. It goes on that strip of restaurants. Maybe I should just go down and just show you. Otherwise you won't really have a good concept of it if I don't do this. But there's a Pepper Lunch, which is closed right now. Okay. Never saw that closed, but it is Monday and it's COVID. Temporary closed. All right. And then this one would go across, and then you could either go either on that side or that side. This is what it looks like on this rainy day. Reflection, so I guess I have to put the camera close. And I'm just gonna walk out into this little alcove thing, I think they call it. And then you can basically see there's restaurants in here. And now you can overlook the street. So this street is one that I walked down a little while ago. And you can go down by going down these. And then this is the restaurant that I walked by a minute ago. And you can see people outside. There's a few people. There's a couple right there, I guess. But yeah, this overlooks the street scene. Let's see if we can, maybe we'll just fade out real quick. Go through it real quick. So then we're back on the other side. There's more tourists over there too. I can see a few people coming in. Okay. So let's check out more. Okay, so here's the Mac Expo. I'll just kind of show you this real quick. So keep social distancing. So there's little footprints. And so yeah, I don't know when that is. Sunday? I don't know, maybe it was last Sunday or is this Sunday? It's probably yesterday. May 16 to June 21, Saturday and Sunday. Okay. Every Saturday and Sunday they got a little show here. And I'm kind of worried about that music. That music might, let me just get these games real quick. Okay. Well, I was gonna go down the walls, but I think it's something's changed. But here's this kind of Broadway. We were right there earlier in the last video, so if you want to see that, look that up. Hopefully I'll put it in the title. Guinness and noodles, that looks pretty good, especially that type of pasta. But this goes down into that street level, so I have a whole other video focus on that, and you can go out right there into that. And then there was a little thing of like craziness, like walls that were really interesting, and I think they might have been down there. They might be closed. I'm not really sure, but I think this is a good spot to end this particular video. And if I don't film everything, it's maybe good because then you have a sense of what a lot of it looks like, but not all of it. And then later I can come by again when it's in full capacity and there's lots of stuff happening. But anyways, it kind of gives you a feeling for what it looks like during this COVID-19 times. And next what we're gonna do is I'll do a separate video and go into the big Galaxy one. And just so that you have a little reference, there's like a walkway that goes over the road. And we're gonna take that for this next video. Well, I'll show you all the food. That's the convention that's going on this month, I guess. Welcoming desk. And this is the way that we go to walk through both of them. So, and then you can overlook the street too. So you might want to see that, so you can see more construction over there. This is the Galaxy. This is the Broadway. They're connected, the same ownership, same promotional stuff. And then here's the other side of the street too. And then that's all Galaxy right there. Over there is like type of village, that little space beyond it. All right, hope you like that one. Chiquinha, chiquinha.